Good morning, everyone. This is me once again, your shamalicious friend from the country where there's a lot of crocodiles and kangaroos, the land down under Australia. And to my Aussie friends, g'day, mate. How's it going? Happy Monday, everyone, and it is already almost 10:30 now. Wow. Earlier today, I went downstairs to clean the garden. Not really garden, but the yard. Because the weeds have grown longer and I need to take them down. At pagkatapos nun, umakyat na ako dito at kumain ng agahan dahil ako'y Tom Jones. Natapos ko nga pala sa baba mga 9:30 na. And my agenda for today is cleaning and organizing our fridge because it's been a while since I last organized it and it looks so messy. Ew. Can't you see that? Can't you see that? I really need to organize the fruits and vegetables, so every time I'm going to prepare my husband's lunch to work, it will be so easy. Telling you guys, there is no right or wrong in organizing your home, organizing your fridge or your pantry. It depends on you, on what's easier and what works well on you. Wow. Kakalex ako ngayon ah. Ano to? Hang on a second. I have to put you somewhere. Somehow, someday. Teka lang ha. He'll find the need of living. So what I'm going to do first is to take out everything in the fridge, and then I am going to sort them out by category. Anyway, let's do this. Ito na yung ginawa ko. Ito yung ginawa ko. So, ayan. Medyo maayos-ayos na ang ating fridge. Yung pagka-organize ko dito is based doon sa kung ano yung mas kinukuha namin palagi, day-to-day basis. So, this one right here, these are the fruits containers. Kasi nga, everyday, yung husband ko ay nilalagyan ko siya ng fruits sa kanyang lunch. And nagbabalik ang dugo ang aking asawa, bumili siya ng pang-salad niya sa lunch. Kasi sabi niya, lumalaki na daw ang kanyang beer belly. And sabi niya na he needs to eat healthy foods. Kasi nga last week, sobrang nag-indulge siya into unhealthy foods. Yun. Eto, as you can see, tubig lang siya and juice kasi hindi na siya magkasya dito. Yeah, hindi siya na magkasya. Dahil I made space for my Moscato. And eto yung container na guilty pleasure ni husband. He likes sweets, he likes chocolates. So, ayan. Ako, hinahayaan ko na lang siya. I let him eat whatever he wants to eat. Kasi, may darating talaga na time, sabi niya, oh, I need to lose some weight na. So, eto. Ayan. So, naka-organize na din siya. Look at that. So, ito yung mga gusto niyang kainin. Ayan. So, these containers right here, ito yung mga raw foods na tinoto ko pag gusto kong ito yung lulutuin ko the next day. And syempre, I think eggs is life. And eto dito, yung mga leftover foods, and then eto mga ready to eat. chickpeas nga pala ito. Inilagay niya inilagay ng aking husband sa kanyang salad. Social salad. And ito naman, ito yung container ng mga abubot. So, tomato, lemon, and cucumber, and then this one, onions, and ito yung pineapple slices na in-slice ko the other day. Pagkakita ko ay, ito yung mga fruit shelf. Yun. Sa next shelf naman, ito yung mga spread. I decided to put it on lower shelf kasi hindi naman namin siya nire-reach every day. And ito yung mga dairy products. Cheese, feta cheese, para basta dito ko siya nilagay. I know na kung tatanungin ako ng aking husband, where is it? So I can tell easily, oh, it's in the lower shelf, in the container on the left. Moving on dito sa ating mga pa-drawer, ito yung mga vegetable drawer. Makikita natin agad kung saan nakalagay ang mga kung ano-ano. So, ito yung opo. Ito naman yung cauliflower. And, ano nga ba ito? Ano yan? And ito, choco. And sa next drawer naman, ito yung same thing ang ginawa ko. So, yan. Wala ako masyadong ginalaw kasi wala naman dapat galawin dyan dahil as is naman yan. So, next, itong shelf na ito, mga dairy products naman din na usually ginagamit namin for breakfast. And itong mga sauce, mga salad dressing, and the bottom shelf is Moscato and juice. So, ayan lang. That's it. Medyo malinis-linis na siya ng konti, no? Easy. Makikita natin kung ano yung nandyan at kung ano yung hindi. So, moving on to the freezer. So, yung gagawin ko na naman dito, same thing sa ginawa ko sa ating fridge. Take everything out and then sort everything as well. So, let's do this. Di ko alam kung saan ako mag-uumpisa. Eto, I froze it kasi nga baka one day sipagin akong mag banana cut cake or banana bread or banana cake, whatever. Siguro yung iba ilalagay ko sa downstairs na fridge namin and freezer. Yung mga bagay-bagay na hindi namin gagamitin masyado. Siguro yung gagawin ko na lang, lalagay ko yung pizzas. Yan lang. Ay. Yan o, hindi ko pa nakain yan o. Bigay sa amin yan ng friend ni Glenn eh. So, ayan, natapos na natin. Sobrang madali lang dahil naka-ano naman na siya eh. Medyo naka-separate naman na siya before. Yang mga yan, mga pang-snacks ni Glenn or namin if we feel like having pizza. And yan, may pa ano tayo dyan, pa bread and syempre ang ating mga ice baby. And the next shelf is the fish. The third is beef, chicken. Ito, chicken na to lahat. And on the bottom shelves, sausages and pork. And on this drawer naman, ito yung mga, ano namin, mga chippies. Chips. Ayan. So, pag magsasnack kami, pag nagugutom, pag gusto namin na madalian, grab lang nito, ilalagay sa air fryer. Okay na. And on this side, ito yung Asian banquet. Iba-iba yan eh. May mga pa-dumpling. Dumpling pa tawag dyan? Mga ganyan ba? Yan. Usually, yan yung pinipare namin sa aming chips. Diba dalawa? Kay Glenn yan. Hindi ako mahilig sa ganyan eh. Popsicles, ito yung frozen veggies, and sa baba, kay Glenn ulit yan. Popsicles ulit, and ito, yung maximum, mga pa-ice cream niya. So, that is it for today's video, guys. Ito lang naman, sobrang madali lang naman talagang mag-organize pag alam mo kung ano yung gusto mong mangyayari. Sobrang madali lang naman din mag-organize ng mga bagay-bagay sa ating loob ng tahanan kung tayo ay alam na natin kung paano ito or kung saan ito ilalagay. And yes, yun ang mga ating mga pa-organize the fridge with me na video na ito. So, thank you so much once again for watching this video, my video. And for those who are new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do consider subscribing. Just click that subscribe button below and also hit that notification bell as well so you'll get notified every time I have a new upload. Once again, this has been your Delicious friend from the land down under. I'll see you later. Bye!